Lezi indaba zehora noma lezi indaba ze-SABC sikwethulela zona ikomkhulu le-SABC Auckland Park eGoli. Mbukeli nazi ezinohlonze kusihlwa nje.
This indicates that while the numbers of recorded cases are fluctuating, the problem remains active.
Ihhovisi lomnyango wezemfundo esifundazweni iGauteng selidalule ukuthi angama-41 amacala okusolakala kuwo inkohlakalo kanye nokusetshenziswa kwemali yezikole ngendlela engafanele kulesifundazwe.
She's just so young, we lost her. She's a lovely person, caring person, and it's very sad today we must bury her.
Bekuwumunye wodwa emndenini kaYolandi Matshane obengomunye wezisebenzi zaseplazini laseNorthern Cape eziminze emfuleni iVaal ngesonto eledlule. Mbukeli asikubingelele sikwamukele ezindabeni zosuku ozethulelwa uSihle Dlamini kanti uza kwethu ositolikela ngolimi lwezimpawu uSinovuyo Fihlani. Masingabe sapholisa amaseko kembukeli ake siza ukuthi iziphi ezihlabahlosile kusihlwa nje. Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uSolwazi Feroz Kachalia uthi sebezihlonzile izingxenye ezithile esifundazweni KwaZulu Natal ezizobe zibhekwe ngelokhozi njengoba kusondela imibhekisho yangolwesibili yokukhala ngabokufika abakuleli ngokungemthetho. uKachalia wexwayise labo ke abazoba yingxenye yalombhekisho ngokuthi kuzofanele bengenzi okuphambene nomthetho. Mbukeli ke sizophinde sibuyele kulolu daba kanti kusenjalo amaqembu ezombusazwe ehlukene aphawulile ngalolu daba njengoba phela sekusele usuku ngaphambi kwembhekisho ezokuba sezweni lonke emayelana nokukhala ngokugcwala kwabokufika abakuleli ngokungemthetho.
Njengoba sekusondele imbhikisho yangolwesibili ANC neDA ithi abantu bakuleli bakhathazeke kufanele ngabokufika ngokungemthetho nokuxega kwemithetho emngceleni kodwa ke yize kunjalo uqinisekisa ukuthi umthetho uyalandelwa kuumsebenzi wombuso hayi wezakhamizi.
We stand with government that immigration enforcement, all the mechanisms that have been put in place must be implemented with all the necessary strictness that it deserves to show and continue to demonstrate that we are a caring nation.
That was our call for the 30th. Let's be well prepared. Let's work together on this. Let us actively reject those who are trying to politic from it and trying to actually incite people to be the worst version of ourselves instead of the best version of ourselves.
I-EFF yona isinxuse abantu baseNingizimu Afrika ukuthi baziqhelananise nalembhikisho yexwayisa ngokuthi inobungozi bokubhebhethekisa ukucwaswa kwabokufika.
Our stance must be questioned that we too as South Africa do not have a right to speak on protecting of human rights because we chase our fellow Africans in South Africa as if they were some dogs, as if they were unwanted and in a manner that is not constitutional or democratic.
I-Action SA yona imile kwelokuthi kufanele kuxoshwe bonke labo abangenazo izimvume abakuleli ngokungemthetho.
Ihhovisi lomnyango wezemfundo esifundazweni iGauteng selidalule ukuthi angama-41 amacala okusolakala kuwo inkohlakalo kanye nokusetshenziswa kwemali yezikole ngendlela engafanele kulesifundazwe. Owengamele umnyango esifundazweni uLebogang Mayile uthi lamacala abandakanya othisha nhloko kanye nezisebenzi ehhovisi lezimali.
Zemfundo eGauteng ukhathazekile ngamacala okusolakala ukuthi kusetshenziswa imali ezikoleni ngendlela engafanele kulesifundazwe.
Of the 41 cases recorded, 22 occurred in 2023, accounting for 54% of the total. In 2025, 13 cases were recorded, accounting for 32%. By June 2026, 6 new cases had already emerged, accounting for 14%. This indicates that while the numbers of recorded cases are fluctuating, the problem remains active. Corruption has not disappeared.
Umayile uthi inkohlakalo eyenziwayo ihlanganisa othishanhloko, othisha kanye namalungu esigungu sabazali.
They involve inflated invoices, duplicate quotations, unauthorized withdrawal, cash payment without supporting records, procurement without process, and payments for goods that were never delivered.
Abashayela izimoto ezithutha abafundi nabo abasalanga ngaphandle ngokunye ukungenzi kahle.
Groceries meant for National School Nutrition Program, which benefits 1.6 million learners, are allegedly stolen, as is furniture, stationery, technical workshop equipment, and building materials. This theft and misappropriation are not victimless, as the consequences are immediate.
Umnyango uthi uzodlulisa amanye amacala ukuze ingalo yomthetho ibhekane nawo.
Bekuwumunye wodwa emndenini kaYolandi Matshane obengomunye wezisebenzi zaseplazini laseNorthern Cape eziminze emfuleni iVaal ngesonto eledlule. uMatshane ubephakathi kwalabo abayisithupha abashone ngesikhathi kucwila isikebhe ebebehamba ngaso.
Bekuwusizi lodwa umndeni nabangani bevalelisa lo wesifazane obeneminyaka engama-35 vo bebesalinde lukhulu kuye. Lesi sikebhe besithutha izisebenzi ezingama-20 phakathi kwamapulazi amabili, kanti kulesi sigameko kushona abayisithupha, abanye kubona bebefihlwa izolo kwasinda ngokulambisa abayi-14.
It's very sad because we lost Yolandi very soon, and she's just so young. We lost her. She's a lovely person, caring person, and it's very sad today. We must bury her.
Umndeni uthi usakhungathekile kanti kusenzima ukwamukela indlela lo wesifazane ashone ngayo.
Yolandi, very nice person to be around. She was my brother's third child, the youngest. We are saddened by how she passed away.
Umndeni wesinye isisulu sowaseMalawi uThumatasa uphezulu kwezinhlelo zokubuyisela isidumbu sakhe kwelakubo okungenani noma ngeviki elizayo.
Imndeni eyahlukene yakwaMhlanga esifundazweni iMpumalanga ibungaze ukubuya ngokuphelele kwabafana ebebesengomeni yamaNdebele abangaphezulu kwama700 asebengene esigabeni sobudala nethathe izinyanga ezimbili.
Abuyele emakhaya amabhunga sengamadoda ngemuva kwamasonto amaningi okubekezela kwayo izimeni zasebusika bezinzima njengoba iphothule ngokugcwele isigaba sosiko lokusoka.
I feel awesome. I feel awesome. I feel great. I feel amazing. I feel amazing. I think you all out there should do the same.
Please everyone come to see us. Siyabonga funi nabanye nize nani into elula le.
Jabula abazali ngokubuya kwezingane zabo emakhaya ziphephile ngemuva kokuchitha amasonto amaningi entabeni.
They came here and they went through all the health processes that the Ingoma Forum needed. So that is why even when they come back here, they make me a great father and a happy father.
Bangaphezulu kwama7 basokile kulesikhathi sokwethwasa sobusika kwaMhlanga nasezindaweni ezakhele isifunda sesenkangala.
We have closed 24 schools here in Mpumalanga that were illegally run because we can't accept that. We've got over 921 schools that are running in Mpumalanga and they are running well, approved by the PICC, and they got support.
We envisage to have in the whole country because culture does not kill. Culture, we groom the kids to become better people tomorrow.
Iziphathimandla zincome ukusebenzisana kahulumeni nabaholi bendabuko kanye nomphakathi ngokusinda kwabasoke ngaphansi kwesizwe samashilo.
Mbukelisi sathiqu ezitolo okwesikhashana uma sibuya esigabeni sesibili sizobe sisixhumana nezintatheli ze-SABC ezinkanise ezingxenyeni zezwe ezahlukene ngisho naseMelika imbala ukuze phela zisibeke esithombeni ngokuqhubekayo njengoba wonke amehlo ezobethe njo emidlalweni wabafana bafana neCanada. Asiphinde sikubingelele mbukeli sikukhumbuze ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus. Ngena kuzo uzicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzozithola ngobunjalo bazo. Kulesigaba sohlelo umbukeli ake sixhumane nentatheli ye-SABC uSdima Mfeku onkanise kuGompo City esifundazweni Eastern Cape ukuze sizwe ukuthi ingabe unjani umuzwa wabalandeli beBafana Bafana. Sdima, asikubingelele sikwamukele ezindabeni zosuku. Ake usibeke esithombeni ngokwenzeka lapho ukhona njengoba sekubalwa amahora ngaphambi kokuba elakuleli litholane phezulu neCanada.
Kungokunje sikwenye yendawo ezikuthandwa kakhulu kwisixeko sakuGompo nalapho khona uninzi lwabantu ingakumbi ulutsha bathanda ukuza kuyo beze kubukela imidlalo equka kuyo umbhoxo kwakunye nebhola ekhatywayo. Kodwa ke namhlanje siyazi into yokuba bonke abantu bajonge kuBafana Bafana nanjengoko bezawudlala umdlalo wabo kwakunye neCanada ekulindeleke ke into yokubana bawunqobe. Siyazi into yokubana ezi ke zi-knockout stages okanye ke in fact kunikwezelwa nje ichance benye kwiqela ngalenye ukuba liziveze into yokuba liza kuphumelela na lo mdlalo. Kodwa ke uninzi lwabantu kule ndawo ukusukela kumdlalo waBafana Bafana kunye neSouth Korea bebonakalisa inkxaso enkulu ngakuBafana Bafana. Siyazi into yokuba ke kungoku nje uninzi lwabantu alukafiki ngeli xesha apha kwaJeff eMdantsane, kodwa siyazi into yokuba bazawufika nanjengoko ixesha noko lisekudana ukuba umdlalo uqale. Kodwa ke kule ndawo zininzi indawo zokubukela umdlalo lo. Emva kwam fanele uyasibona iscreen esinye nasi yasipha ngemva edlala kuso nangoku umdlalo wombhoxo. Kodwa ke likhona nelinye igumbi elikwelinye icala ekulindeleke into yokuba ke nalo lisetyenziselwe ukubukela lo mdlalo. Likhona nelinye apha kule ndawo ndimi kuyo elingekho kude kakhulu kwi-right yam kulo kulindeleke into yokuba kubukelwe lo mdlalo ngentsimbi yethoba apha eMdantsane kwindawo ebizwa into yobana kukwaJeff. Utsho ke umnikazi wendawo into yokuba bazilungiselele kangangoko uqinisekisa into yoba basingatha uninzi lwabantu bakwixeko sakuGompo nalapha eMdantsane.
Sibonge kakhulu-ke Sdima ngesikhathi sakho. Lo mbukeli bekuyintatheli ye-SABC uSdima Mfeku esibikela bukhoma ekuGompo City. Kanti-ke uma sihlabela phambili sicaphuna udaba oluthi umengameli wezwe Cyril Ramaphosa usefisele iqembu lesizwe iBafana Bafana okuhle kodwa ngaphambi kokubhekana kwayo neCanada namhlanje emidlalweni wesigaba somkhumula jezi seFIFA World Cup eLos Angeles, eMelika.
Bafana Bafana will put our whole country and our entire nation on the global map once again. But this time they are doing it as one of the top 32 football teams in the world, playing against Canada. And I want to wish them every luck. They have really made us proud. They've played extremely well, and for the first time the South African flag on the world football stage is flying very high. And I know that our boys are going to make every South African proud when they take to that world football stage or pitch, and they will dazzle the Canadians and they will defeat them, and they will move to the 16 number of countries that will play in the competition, which is the knockout stage. I'd like all South Africans to rally behind Bafana Bafana and give them maximum support.
Njengamanje ke mbukeli ake sixhumane nomethuli wezemidlalo we-SABC uXoli Zondo onkanise eRivonia Square eGoli lapho abanye abalandeli bebhola bezobe bebuthene khona ukuzwa ukuthi isimo sinjani. Mazondo, asikubingelele sikwamukele ezindabeni kusihlwa. Ingabe unjani umuzwa kubalandeli lapho ukhona njengoba iNingizimu Afrika yonkana izobe ubheke ngabomvu umdlalo wakusihlwa?
Sure. Ngiyabonga kakhulu Sihle. Namhlanje sithi qhude manikiniki izindala zombili iBafana Bafana iyobe ibhekane neCanada, the round of 32 kuyona iWorld Cup. Nakhona bafuna ukuzibona nabo sebayodlala kwiround of 16. Thina la esikhona namhlanje eGoli kuseRivonia Square, abalandeli abaningi beBafana bayibafikile. Sonke siyobe sibukele lo mdlalo uma uqala ngo9. Ngiphethe ukwinda ke yena nayo umlandeli omkhulu wayo iBafana bona ukuthi bafike nje kulezinga bafike likulo ele round of 32 for the first time baqopha umlando kahle kahle uzizwa kanjani ngayi Bafana?
I mean I'm so happy about Bafana and I think ngithanda ukubonga ucoach uHugo Broos because we were complaining about line up yakhe nge-first game. So now I think because siya interviewer ngabalandeli uyasilalela nge-second game wachinja i-line up lesi basingayifuni wabuya ngenye line up sa draw and then again enye game siwinile. So even today iBafana izowina 2-1 namhlanje iyaphambili namhlanje. I think izoyekudeni iBafana izoyekudeni abafana.
Hayi uma uthi 2-1 iyajabulisa kwangempela ngifuna ukuthi sikhulume ngabanye abadlali beBafana uma uthi ubheka uThapelo Maseko owakora igoal elinzima kabi masicabanga naye uTeboho Mokoena owakora against iCzechia namhlanje naye uyabuya ubona songathi sizokhona vele uqhubeka silokhu siwakora.
I think line up ye last game even if Mokoena kangenanga last game abafana badlale kamnandi even though Mokoena obangekho but Mokoena naye is a quality player bangamfaka noMbatha no Adam badlale bawu3 in the middle field even though angangenanga Mokoena uMbatha no Adam last badlale kamnandi ku middle field yethu. So uMaseko fanele at least alungise indaba yakhe yoba selfish aphase umfana umnandi kakhulu singaye ekujeni naye kakhulu umfana.
Enye into ejabulisayo uTLB umbokazi laphayana noOkhona hayi bavimbile ibondela ngempela.
Hayi lapha emuva I don't have a problem so much emuva because ibackline yabafana istable ibackline iproblem yabafana is only a front. Only a striking force is no problem corner but backline and midfield we are stable asimnandi bazowina abafana namhlanje.
Enye into futhi ejabulisayo ukuthi iAfrika siyaziqhenya ngayo uma uthi uyabheka ama team awu9 kula abakade awu10 adlalile adlulele kwi round of 32 kusho ukuthini ngefootball la on the African continent?
I think amathuma seAfrika siya improve ebholeni siya improve kakhulu. That is why manje masingena egroundini abasasithatheli phansi because bayazi ukuthi no iSouth Africa vele ingawina anytime. So manje asinayo lento lekuthiwa iBafana iwiki ayisakwazi nokuqualify silesa siqualifyile ku World Cup kusho ukuthi iSouth Africa improvile kakhulu ebholeni.
I know siyabonga kakhulu kwinda solokhu sikhuluma vele throughout the night. Uyazithemba khona manje ukwinda uyasho ukuthi kuyoba yi2-1 iBafana izowina idlulele phambili ukuya ku round of 16. Siyobona ke khona uma lo mdlalo uqala ngo9. Sithi qhude abaniki izindala zombili iBafana siyayixhasa ngaso sonke isikhathi. Ngiyazithatha intambo ke manje ngiziphonsela eAuckland Park.
Sibonge kakhulu Xoli mbukelekile wobe kuyimethuli wezemidlalo SABC uXoli Zondo esibukela bukhoma eSerivonia Square khona la eGoli. Sisadingida eziphathelene nendebe yomhlaba izakhamuzi zaseningizimu Afrika zizwakalise imbono yazo eyehlukene ngaphambi komdlalo obhekwe ngabomvu ozoba phakathi kweBafana neCanada kusihlwa.
To tonight's match. Looking forward to see Bafana qualifying to the last 16 stages.
I have mixed emotions, to be honest, but I think we do have a chance. We do have a chance in a sense that it's about our coach, how we pick the first 11.
Bafana chances for going to the next round are so easy because we are coming from the group that we are not so sure we are going to progress to the next round. So we have defeated South Korea that we are not so sure we are going to defeat it. So Canada is not so that hard.
I think they will go all the way from tonight to the top 8. Number 1.
We are all supporting Bafana Bafana and they're actually doing well. And I need to appreciate the spirit that they played last game with. And obviously we're looking towards to them tonight so we can able to get into knockouts again.
Okwamanje mbukeli ake siphinde futhi sihlabe ikhefu ohlelweni uma sibuya sobe sikuphathele umhlahlo wesimo sezulu unganyakazi. Mbukeli sizibeka lapha ebese kuphathele zona kusihlwa siyabuya futhi kusasa nezinye izindaba ngehora lokuqala emini kuze kube ngokuzayo usale kahle.